In this video, I want to talk about the importance of using images for your ads. The site that I'm on right now is gettyimages.com, and it's a great site to find royalty-free images. Now, of course, there's other places on the net where you could find images, great images that you can use for your ads. But just remember that a lot of images out there have a copyright on them, so you do have to be careful and do your due diligence. Now, let me just say this, that images play the biggest role in increasing your CTR, or your click-through rate. So try to choose images that have that wow factor, or make people curious enough to want to click on your ads. And your main goal when creating your ads, your Facebook ads, is to get people to click on your ads. Remember that. It's not to sell them on your product yet. Okay? So when you first start your campaign, try to find at least 50 images that are suitable for your campaign, and make sure that these images do not have a copyright on them. Okay, so basically it's important to test as many different images as possible to find the winners that will increase your CTR. And one last tip about images is that generally, marketers will find that the CTR goes down after a few days, so it's important to change or rotate your images constantly.